Preparation for loading. Consult cargo data sheet and other information given by the charterer or by the loading terminal. Confirm if vessel can carry the type and the amount of cargo safely by checking vessel's cargo capacity and the tank segregation requirements. Consult the cargo trim and stability book. And the cargo tanks are normally inspected and approved prior to loading. It should be borne in mind that individual ship has got own characteristic and limitation may involve handling various chemical cargos. The master and all personnel in all cases must be aware of cargo or ship information that has been given and comply with relevant safety procedures. Master must ensure the precaution required by the company safety management system and relevant checklists are fully observed. Immediately prior to commencing the loading, the valve setting and the line on all tanks have to be checked once more. The responsible officer must be satisfied that the cargo system is in all respect ready and all the information of the cargo has been received. Deballasting. Deballasting is a process by which seawater is taken out of the ship when the ship is at the port or at sea. And the seawater that carried by the ship is known as ballast water. Transport. Cargoes carried by a chemical tanker differ widely in characteristic and mode of handling, and thus in the care they require during transit. During the voyage, attention must be paid to these special needs of cargo. Inert gas capacity should be sufficient for the entire voyage. If stored nitrogen is relied upon, it must be confirmed prior to sailing that the ship has sufficient nitrogen on board to be able to comply with the inerting requirements. Regular checks on tank contents should be made to detect an unexpected change in liquid level. Preparation for discharge. The chief officer shall prepare a detailed cargo or discharge plan before the arrival. The discharge plan shall be posted in the CCR at a conspicuous location and distributed to all personnel involved in the discharge operation. The discharge plan should be signed to confirm that personnel has fully read and understood the procedure. The chief officer shall also prepare a watch schedule and person in charge list for all transfer operations for the discharge operation. Before commencement of discharge operation, the chief officer shall conduct a free transfer cargo safety meeting with all the concerned crew and shall have a duty officer read aloud such discharge plan to all the attending officer and crew. Discharge. The following measures have to be taken prior to discharging operation commencing with particular attention being paid when the cargo is highly toxic or flammable. Ensure cargo temperature. Switch on high level alarms and tests. Prepare the level gauging system. Check if valves are working and PB line clear. Prepare the vapor return line if required. Prepare manifold, drip tray, and cargo line system. Manifold reducer. Prepare ballasting system. Prepare or check jumper hoses or fixed connections. Check nitrogen system. Check if all is ready for close discharging. Set decontamination shower and eye wash in operation position. Check if relevant instruments are ready for use. Prepare post-cargo description. prepared discharge plan. It's essential that the accommodation is kept under positive pressure to prevent the entry of hydrogen vapors. The operation of sanitary and galley extraction fans will cause a vacuum, and therefore the air conditioning system intakes must be kept fully closed. Ensure that all gases equipment is operation and calibrated with the required gases. Key cargo instruments such as a temperature, pressure gauges, and portable gauging equipment in use are calibrated as applicable. Ensure that the cargo tank vent system are drained and empty. Ensure that cargo line system are free from blockage and cargo. Check for any solidification, sedimentation in cargo tanks. Test cargo pumps and purge copper dumps of submerged cargo pumps. PPE and antidotes ready. Squeezing gears and light for vegetable oil ready. Tank cleaning equipment and gear ready. Inerting. In fire and explosion prevention engineering, inerting refers to the introduction of an inert gas into a closed system to make the atmosphere oxygen deficient and non-ignitable. Tank cleaning. All tank cleaning procedures are essentially a logical sequence of events that will ultimately allow any vessel to change from one grade of cargo to another. The precise nature of cleaning process is especially determined by the 1. Chemical and physical properties of cargo being cleaned from. 2. The type of lining inside the cargo tanks. 3. The size and dimension of the cargo tanks and the preloading specification of the next nominated cargo. Tank inspection. Tank inspection ensures the safety and integrity of above-ground storage tank by preventing accidental leaks and avoiding costly decontamination, while providing critical data so lifetime and repair predictions can be made. Ballasting. Ballasting is a process by which seawater is taken into the ship whenever the ship is in port or at sea.